Now it's clean, guys. As you can see, the sawdust for litter box is here now, and here is clean, no smelly. I sanitize them most of the time so they will not get sick, you know. So here they sleep here, they jump here. I put some carton, but they destroyed. This carton is for their shelter for rainy season. They feel cold, they go inside and compress, but they destroyed it. Look. So I have swing for them. They like to play in the swing. I love my cats. I love my rescue cats. Oh, all comfortability that I can give to them, I like to give to them. But cleaning the poop, the hardship of cleaning the poop, feeding them when they're hungry, uh, bathing them is very hard.